Here's integrated 3. It's 10-55. It says use any method to calculate the sum of the integers from 1 through 1,000. Describe your strategy. So this is kind of like that one with Gauss where we had to do 1 through 100, but this is 100 through 1,000. So I wrote it down here. So what I like to do is I know that if it's going up by 1, like if we're counting 1 through 1,000 or 100 through 1,000, if I list them, it'd be 100, 101, 102, 103, blah, blah, blah. So this would be the first term, the second term, the third term. And I know that since this is going up by 1 every time, and this one's going down by 1 every time, when I add these pairs, I get 1,100. These two are also 1,100. All of them are going to add up to 1,100. The question is, how many terms are there? Well, it turns out there's 901. I thought I'll just go 1,000 minus 100, and that gives me 900. And then I did the problem, and I got it wrong. And then I realized that you have to include the 100 in there. So that's why it's 901. So then I'm just going to use my little formula. My formula is, this gives me how many pairs there are. If there's 901 terms, then when they pair up, there'd be like 450 and a half terms, if that makes any sense. And then each pair, we know it's the first plus the last, so adds up to 1,100, and if you multiply them together, you get this answer.